Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of full screen on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve full screen on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.